let's just zoom throughout it. And
Right here, we got making money, bullhead. Get your bull on.
I'm not gonna be bullheaded by tomorrow.
Yeah.
No.
That kid.
Oh my god.
That random kid that don't know
It's
his
Timmy.
name.
That's Aaron.
That one kid
That's
that don't know
random
his name. I'm gonna edit that and I'm just gonna put like a black mark all over it.
For who?
Skylar, because she doesn't want to see her face on YouTube.
She'll
And
have
then we
it.
got Frankie right here, but
Then we're gonna see which one's the best.
so we got this one.
My
Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Vote down in the comments which one you think is the best.
So we got
Dude, no one comment.
Comment down below which one's the best.
Go in the dark kid.
So this is like see-through,
But it's also glow in the
Not
dark.
focused.
glow in the dark.
Middle.
This is like a
The
Batman.
best one. This is like the best
You
one.
have to turn it sideways.
Turn it sideways.
Dude, Skylar.
This is like the best one ever right here.
No, this is.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
like the
Dude, I don't
Batman.
even play that game.
That one went up your butt.
Okay. Let's start playing it. Put it down.
Hey, we gotta do that. We gotta do that. Come on. Come on, guys. We should have all done this and then have it all of them spinning.
So
and
guys,
we should've done
right
that.
now, we're
Let's do
gonna
a
check
tower.
them
Let's do a tower. And then this will be the top because it's skinniest.
Yeah, me too. Wait, who wants me to show their face?
I don't.
All of us.
So Tim, me,
Magic.
Aaron, and me, which is the bullhead. But I'm
We
the
it all
creator.
false because this one needs to be at the top.
I'm the creator of this channel.
Every start. 1, 2, 3 more. And now we're gonna spin this one first.
Why?
What are you doing?
I call it that one.
You look how close those two are.
Those two are about to
I need
hit.
a fish
They hit each other.
I need a fish mine.
Yeah, that berry needs to be fixed.
No, not that
Should
one.
I get
This
you
one.
Copyrighted and plays a song.
No, I'll get in trouble.
That's why.
I'm gonna get in trouble for copyright.
Yeah.
I'm get caught.
Do that one stop before this one and this one won.
Oh, mine won.
That one.
No, this one would have won. Joey, play a song. You better blur it out.
Bruh.
I'm put on roll. Copyright.
No, he doesn't have as much followers.
Bruh. Wait, I can't wait. If
No,
there's,
it's only.
yeah, if it's music on a different phone, then that's not considered
Copyright.
yeah, that's just sound effects.
Sorry. I zoomed it in.
Oh, shoot, you did.
What do you do?
I 3-crown this dude. He sucks.
What, missing camera? Ah! Dude, you got put in the apple and juice all over it.
Apple juice.
Is it?
Does that actually even out my tooth? For real?
Yes.
Hey guys, look at this trick. Look at this trick. Ready?
Greg showed you that one. It's not even moving. Why isn't it working?
Wait.
Oh, I know how to do it. You need to spin it the opposite ways.
Wait.
Oh, yeah,
You
guys.
see mine?
Bullhead right here, boy. Bullhead.
Turn up.
Fidget spinner. I'm a cameraman, boy.
I am.
Actually, I'm not a man.
She's camera woman.
She's camera gal. That's better. Alright, rolling.
The freaking. Oh, the bearing fell out.
On which one?
On yours.
Oh, yours shows up.
Dude, I don't even think mine can come out. Oh yeah, they can. Dude, that bearing can't come out. It's hot glued. Only the little piece can.
That's bad. Let me see it. I can push it.
No, it's supposed to be like that because look, there's hot glue on one of them. See? Sky. Hot glue.
Is there even balls in there?
This isn't. What?
Yeah. What? And that one kid in the day during the show, he got his ear pierced right here.
Look. See, look, Skylight, easy 3-crown. Hey, this is a good earpiece, though. 3-crown.
It's not focusing.
Oh yeah, remember that one? That's one senior dude. He had his ear pierced. Yeah.
Dude, should I take it out?
I took it out.
Dude, he might not come
My rolly don't.
Ah.
Dude.
There's not even balls in it.
Stop saying that.
It's
a fidget spinner, man. That's
We're gonna get copyright, Miguel. Thanks a lot.
Dude, look at how it moves now.
You know where it's at?
Spin it,
Alright.
spin it.
It's unbalanced.
Wait, I'm spinning.
No.
Well,
Last one out of this table. Throw it in the trash.
I'm sorry.
No, you're gonna stop the video.
Now we can go back up.
I don't want to be on.
I'm not even recording you. Why are you always zoomed in?
Because you can be.
Yo. Spin it now.
Yo. Take the other one out.
It's heck of vibrating. It's like a vibrating. It's vibrating. We're gonna get kicked out of team 7.
We're named the Team 7 to win.
I'm not even gonna live with you guys. I'm gonna live with my other friend. Oh, that was an accident.
Joey, we should come up with a better name than Team 7. That's not like a wannabe name. Team 6. That's a wannabe Team 10. Joey, you better blur my face out.
Yes. Pit.
No Savage Squad.
No, ours is gonna be better. It's gonna be toxic. I'm not in your guys' clan.
No. Miguel, you don't want to make vlogs with us?
No, I'm gonna be a gamer and a baseball player.
So, we're gonna need the Savage Squads. Oh! No,
But I still come to your guys' houses.
Wait! Oh, I know, Miguel. You can still be on our vlog.
RG's only gonna be in our.
Hey,
All we need is RJ.
you guys show it.
A quad is 4. Savage quad.
No.
Savage squad.
No, Toxic Squad.
Oh, yours are gonna copy yours.
Toxic Voice. Nah, Miguel.
No, I got one for you guys. I got one for you guys. TNT Pros.
Give me it back.
TNT Pros.
Skylar, let me get this.
No, give me it back.
No, I'm a troller.
How do we call it? The
I
Give me your phone.
I feel the struggle of the people.
I would just call it.
I always fight the goblin her. Joey, do you play Clash Royale?
Yeah.
Come down, I'm vlogging.
You're not even part of their dang team.
I'm vlogging though. They're making money.
Hey, to film this, the filmer or the dang creator is on team.
These are mine.
Wait, I want to see that one.
White boy.
I've been wanting to get this.
I'm just messing around. I'm not making fun of him, but that's his nickname. Huh, that's your nickname, huh, Nixon?
Oh, I wanted to get this one. No. I hate it.
Because Jaden, he started calling him that.
Dude, just watch me.
I'm gonna watch your vlog when I get home.
Friday tell Damon go to get back my friend.
And peace, I got no way to put. Ow. And peace, suckers.